Careful, man. Look at this.
Correct.
Look at this stuff. You want to do? You want to do?
Another day. The wheels are back in the car. I just gave them a quick wash yesterday, and today we're gonna go get some new tires on it and put them on the car and see how they look. I kinda put it against the car yesterday. It looked really nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that today, and then the other wheels that I have on the car, they're gonna go up to on the Facebook market. So if anybody interested, you know, comment down below or find me on Facebook, Instagram, Rich Viper Media. Yeah, only got like 4 hours of sleep. So barely alive, but yeah, we gotta keep moving. Do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying?
Careful, man. Look at this.
Correct.
Look at this stuff.
Brand new tires.
Struggling now.
Yeah, I think this will not pass into thing. I got one of them off. A little flat there.
Perfect. Yeah. You want to do? You want to do? No, I said we have to do whatever.
My old tire is coming off. We're going these bad boys. No. Easy. Grab it over his lips. Ah. Na loja, padango.
Смотри, посмотри. О. Ты начинал фокус. Надо был шов, надо вот.
О. Just like that. Two wheels are on. Now the other two. And then the fronts, we couldn't put it on. The wheel is a bit too wide. So we put this back on until I get some spacers. And I have to drive on tires like that home. Look at them. Actual insane. and one of them was leaking air as well. And they're like brand new tires, but somebody just left them standing. So if anybody wants to buy these wheels on very bad tires, text me. Not these though, they are going back on the car. Can't wait to put them all on. Look at it, clean. And yeah, it's an E60, I'm sure you guessed it by now. Another E60, but this time LCI. So yeah, Rich Viper Media signing out. Maybe not yet, I might do some bumpers later on, but for now, yeah,